On this video here, as you can see ahead, there's a cow, a couple of cows, a calf, probably 2 or 3 cows and a calf out. Now, for me to turn round and go back that way would be 4 mile round trip, where this is only a few moments from my house. So I'm going to go through nice and calm and steady and see how I get on. But they're out here grazing. It's one of these permissive walkways, so there you go. There's 1 there, 3 there, so I'll just go round them. It's curious, they're very curious. Come on. They're more frightened than me. There you go. It's very curious, but I just took my time. I didn't need to let the dogs off, but there you go. So there you go. So it's, if you've got a dog, I think, what's out of control, what makes the situation worse. So I think we've done really well there. But he's only having a look. I'm no threat to them. So there you go. So these 2 I can safely let off the lead in a moment. There you go. To be honest, they were more aware of me than I was of them. But I think if you do the right thing and just stay calm, you're okay. I mean, had they started running about and being silly, I'd have just let these 2 off the lead quick. Anyway, once again, thank you for watching.